If it would have been a man in that position who would have asked for that much of amount, it would have been looked upon like इसकी market बढ़ गई है.
You really need to pray for the ignorant, because you're not ignorant. The only thing you can do for the ignorant and unaware is to just pray for better sense,
का मतलब मैं तब तक सक्सेसफुल नहीं हूँ जब तक मैं ट्रोल नहीं हो जाता यार. मुझे ट्रोल होना है.
Because you don't matter अभी तक. हर्ष अब तो मैटर कर जल्दी से.
This problem issue of high salary with women, but why not? She is one of the biggest female superstars we have in the country today. So she.
Taapsee, I want to ask you this because you have always fought for the right things and the right reasons. Recently, there was a huge furor about Kareena Kapoor asking for a certain remuneration to do a film. And unfortunately, when we see this is the kind of sexism that exists in the industry where the heroes, the bigger stars, they get almost 50-60 crores and nobody questions. But when a heroine actually asks for a certain sum of money, maybe because the movie has to be done in 200 days is what I read. They are questioned. What is your idea of it? Because you've also brick by brick built your career. There was a point you were paid a certain sum. Today you have built your career in a way where you can demand a certain sum, and everybody of you, each one of you. But I'm asking you because the woman was being questioned there.
If it would have been a man in that position who would have asked for that much of amount, it would have been looked upon like इसकी market बढ़ गई है. Like that guy has like now really achieved big success in life. It's because it's woman who's asking for it. She's called out to be difficult, too demanding. It's always like that. You'll always read about this problem issue of high salary with women. But why not? She is one of the biggest female superstars we have in the country today. So if she commands a certain salary for the time, it's her job. And she like, do you really think all the other mythological or any other kind of god representation characters that are played by men, do you think they do it for free? I don't think so. So it's only when a woman hikes her salary, it's like a very problematic movie. Whereas it's a success barometer when it's a man.
Lastly, before I go, because I'm very personally invested in this question, for all good reasons, there's another common factor between Taapsee and Vikrant. Could you guess what it is apart from this film and being like common man and common girl's dream? Harsh, do you know the common factor between the two of them?
Talent.
Talent to hai, matlab I'm talking about something else.
We have not dated the same man or a woman, as far as I remember.
I'll tell you the commonality. The common factor is between you, me, and Vikrant. We've all been labeled by a certain A-list actress in different ways. Somebody has been called a He-Man, somebody has been called a B-grade actor, somebody has been called a cockroach, and somebody has been called a promoter of movie mafia. And I humbly take that because I really love Taapsee. That is, I'm saying it on camera. How do you see this whole movement where, एक तरफ सब outsiders fight कर रहे हैं अपने जगह के लिए for equality. They are not fighting as outsiders versus insiders. Most people, most sensitive people, sensible people. You are fighting for equality and inclusion, and then you get labeled names, especially after being nice to people.
मैं कब ट्रोल होऊंगा यार? मुझे कोई ट्रोलिंग.
You don't want to be a part of that.
अरे नहीं, you also have to be part of that gang, yeah. You have to be the trolled people. The trolled people.
का मतलब मैं तब तक सक्सेसफुल नहीं हूँ जब तक मैं ट्रोल नहीं हो जाता यार. मुझे ट्रोल होना है.
Because you don't matter अभी तक. हर्ष अब तो मैटर कर जल्दी से. So you come in the
बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. मतलब I have not made an impact at all.
ओफो, ये तो बड़ा sad हो गया.
Yeah, but Taapsee and Vikrant,
I matter a lot. That's all I say. I matter a lot. What I say, what I do matters a lot. So I think that I don't even have to do much to get the attention. Just my sheer presence is stirring. I'm very glad for that my presence can have that much of an impact. I don't have that much of time to give that attention back. I have bigger and better things to do in life.
True.
So I'm doing that.
What about you, Vikrant? Because we all know the relationship you share with Yami. And when I read it, even I was like, dude, like really get a sense of humor.
I really don't pay attention to all these things, I try very consciously sort of negating toxicity in my life. इसलिए मैं Twitter पे ज़्यादा जाता भी नहीं, and I've been very vocal about it. That it's one of the worst public discourse platforms we have. But individually, I generally don't tend to pay attention to these things. So just to wrap it up, I'll quietly quote one of my favorite writers, the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. I would just say that you really need to pray for the ignorant, because you're not ignorant. The only thing you can do for the ignorant and unaware is to just pray for better sense, and just wish them the best in life. I think that's all that you can do.
Vikrant, I would like to quote Mr. Farhan Akhtar कि अगर सांसें ले रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम, वो बोलते ना, वैसे ही मैं बोलूंगा अगर ट्रोल हो रहे हो तो स्टार हो तुम.
Yeah,
But
and you really can't pay attention to ignorance. You really, as Taapsee said, there are so many things that really keep you occupied. You'd rather focus on that.
Yeah, and you guys are doing fantastically well in your careers. And like I said, that today, all of you actually, Harsh, Taapsee, and Vikrant, I want to tell you that what you have done has given inspiration and hope to a lot of other people who really want to be in a position that you are in. So keep doing it, regardless of anything that people say. There'll be people who will support you because of the determination that you guys put in and motivation that you give to people. So all the best, and I know that this film is going to work really, really well.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Nayan.